Hey, man, the Mayhem here, and if you're a fan of Rabbit Labs, you're going to like this video. Today I have been sent a selection of cases for Rabbit Lab boards from my friend Tron at Extronix. I'm really excited to get these over to the table today to show you what he's been working on. They're absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to show you these. So if you like Flipper Zeros, Rabbit Lab dev boards, this is the video for you. So let's get these to the table and break it open. So the first case we have got is for the Flux Capacitor. This is it in its GPIO Pro pin protector. So let's just have a quick look around. We've got all this lovely texture here, beautiful, absolutely stunning colour. The Tron logo here, it's got a really nice finish to it. And then we've got the Extronix logo here as well. So that's our pin protector, and then if we just slide here, we can then actually get to our Flux Capacitor board itself. So what's really nice here is all our GPIO will come out of here. There's room for a lot of adapters, and there's also this beautiful slot for GPS. To actually use this one, we have to gently pull up here to fit our board in, and as you can see, the finish is just absolutely stunning. I've got no idea how he's made the quality this good. One of the things that I really love about this is this actual board here is so smooth. The case itself, it's completely gloss finish, and the pearlescence to it, it's just stunning. I'm really hoping the camera picks this up. And no Rabbit Labs boards are actually really, really pretty already, but I just love the idea of having something so pretty and shiny protecting all of my nice, pretty, shiny boards. The idea of being able to toss this straight into our GPI pin cover is fantastic. So this can now go into a bag without worry of our pins being bent or anything being damaged. So that's our Flux Capacitor one. Next up I've got a Slim Shady board case with a GP Pro slide as well. So this will work similar to the other one, so this will just slide out of our pin cover. We've got the infrared blaster on here, and then we've got the GPIO Pro slide here, and like I said, this is rock solid. You know, your pins are not going to get bent whatever they're in here. We then actually have our top over covers here for the IR blaster, leaving our spacers for all of our infrared LEDs, and these just pop straight on top. But once again, look at that finish, look at that colour. All the edges are exactly how you'd expect them to be. There's no burrs, no nothing like that. Absolutely stunning. What's really nice is these come in different colours as well. So not only does it send me the white on the blue, but we have a black and golden blue. We have a black and metallic blue. A black and orange. And then a pink and black. So there you go, there's all the different IR covers that I've got, and they are all compatible with the same GPIO slide. So they are stunning. Next up we have the Ghost ESP. So this is the cover for the Ghost ESP board. So you've got room for your ESP32 chip to stick through and all your other different bits and bobs, room for your GPS to plug in. Once again, this is absolutely so well printed. I love the attention to detail on it. And once again, this one is just a top over. So this will just clip straight on top of your board and protect all the components at the top. This one's not got a GPIO slider, but it is still absolutely stunning. I've got no idea how he's doing these really, really fine texts in different colours for printing. I'm not a 3D printer myself, but honestly, it looks so cool. Cannot wait to get this on my Ghost board. Now we've got the Yapper board. So this is the cover for the Yapper. Once again, it's got that complete gloss finish. Love all the inlays of all the text. Love that really cool pearlescent pattern that's on there. Looks absolutely fantastic. And here's the underside. Like I say, really strong, rigid piece of case. So really going to protect your device. I've then got two versions of the Gemini. I've got this gold and silver and black one. So here you can see where our SMA clips are going to go and our chips are going to come out here, and this is the space for our switch and our LED lights. On the second one, it is all gold. Once again, these ones just fit straight on top of the actual device itself. So you see we've got this nice grey here and nice black there. And then both of these are compatible with the GPIO slider. So you're not going to get those bent pins again. And what's really nice on this is it'll actually remind you which setting you've got set to. So are you on 443 MHz or are you on 900 MHz? And last of all the boards, we've got the Masta Blasta. So once again, a GPI cover here in this beautiful green. The Tron logo here, Masta Blasta here, really nice grippy texture so you're not going to drop it. Once again, really solid print so your pins are going to stay nice and safe. If we slide out the actual case, this is another one that fits top down on. We've got ventilation for our boards, plenty of space for our LEDs to come through and our selection lights, and just look at the finish. If you look from the top, it's completely flat. It's so smooth, it's unreal. You've got that lovely pearlescent feeling on it again, and that beautiful inlaid text. And what's crazy is this text here, it looks like it's indented. Let's see if I can bring it right up. Looks like it's indented, but it's actually still flush and smooth. So absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to get this onto a board. What's really nice with this one is it's now for the new Masta Blasta that comes with buttons. So if you see this little gap here with the circular hole, that's where the buttons are going to go, and I've been sent a selection of buttons, some red ones and some black ones, because we all know that I am going to drop them. They just literally fit through the back of there, so you can push that test button and make sure it's all working. So that's the board case that I've been sent. So we've got the Flux Capacitor, the Slim Shady Wire Blaster, we've got the Gemini board ×2, we've got the Yapper board, Masta Blasta, Ghost ESP. We've got the GPIO cover for the Slim Shady, GPIO cover for the Flux Capacitor, the GPIO cover for the Masta Blasta, and the GPIO cover for the Gemini. So as you can imagine, I'm really excited to get these boards from Robert Labs so I can put them on and give you a proper review rather than just a quick overview of what they look like. But as you can see, they are a fantastic build quality. They look absolutely amazing, and I really can't wait to show off the full collection. And also in the box, we have this, a 5GHz Deauther. Once again, it comes in a beautiful 3D printed case. We've got a screen here. We've got an up arrow, down arrow, return button, and select button. We've got some beautiful dual filament printing here. We've got 5GHz Deauther written on the side here. Two ends are blank. And then we also have the word Deauther written here. On the back side, we've got some cooling vents here, and then we've got this chip that's exposed to also help with the cooling. With this beautiful inlaid filament text of Deauther and 5GHz. And then we've also got two LEDs. We've got a red LED here and an RGB here for different status. And I don't know if you can see it very well, but just here are the boot and reset buttons built into the case as well. Once again, as with everything that Tron seems to do so far, the detail is absolutely phenomenal. The finish is absolutely beautiful. So I'll do a dedicated video on how to use this device all on its own, but I just wanted to show you this here at the same time now. So I'll just show you it plugged in. So it just runs off USB-C, power bank or USB to your computer. You get a beautiful Xtronix logo come up here, and then once it's booted, you'll see that it's got a attack, scan and select menu, and that's all there is to it. Such a simple interface for a very simple to use but powerful device. If you look at the back, we've got our red LED and we've also got our multicolour RGB as well. Like I said, there'll be a dedicated video just to this device showing exactly how to use it and how it works. So if you want to be able to take your dev boards on the go with you and be able to just chuck them in your pocket without the worry of the pins getting bent or the boards getting damaged, these are what you need. Go check out Tron store. He's available on Tindy, so I'll make sure there's a link for you in the description to go have a look at his store and show him some love. I will say my two favourites out of the boards that were in this kit were the Flux Capacitor and the Masta Blasta. I just love the finish on them and how smooth they are, and I also just absolutely adore those GPIO covers. Let me know which one of these boards is your favourite in the description. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Stay tuned. Hopefully Robert will be sending me some boards to put in these cases shortly, and I'll be able to give you a full review of how well these cases do at protecting those boards and what those boards can do. Right, that's it from me. Happy hacking. Catch you next time.